Hello, I'm Laura from Foxtecc. If you've been trying to delete an app on your iPhone and it just won't budge, don't worry. It's probably just a setting that needs a quick adjustment. Today, I'll guide you through a simple process to fix that. First, head to the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're there, scroll down and look for Screen Time. This section helps manage restrictions on your phone, including which apps you can remove. Once inside Screen Time, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this feature is enabled, you'll be prompted to enter your Screen Time passcode. After you've entered your passcode, select the option for Installations and App Store Purchases. In this menu, you'll find the option for deleting apps. Make sure it's set to Allow. If it wasn't, that's likely why you were having trouble removing apps. Now go back to your home screen, find the app that's been giving you trouble, press and hold its icon. You'll see the option to remove app. Tap that and then select Delete App. That should solve your issue. Just keep in mind that certain system apps like Camera, Settings, and Messages cannot be completely deleted. However, you can still remove them from your home screen if you prefer a cleaner layout. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing and giving the video a thumbs up. See you later.